baby. Hello lang. Our memory verse this morning is found on Proverbs 12:10, which states, "The righteous care for the needs of their animals, but the kindest act of the wicked are cruel." This verse highlights the responsibility of humans to show compassion and provide for the well-being of the animals. Right? You are an animal. You need to provide compassion and great responsibility to take care of you. So, this is my verse today for you. Right, Tiger? Good. You listen intently. And you need to listen. Listen. Listen to me because this is your training as a animals. You're a cat. Alright? Okay? Be good boy. Be good boy today. Thank you. Bye-bye.